Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kristty and welcome to my channel. So today we have our ever first Trunk Club unboxing on my channel. So Trunk Club is you can get it monthly. I get it monthly. I know you can get it quarterly. Clothing subscription. Your styling fee is $25. So whatever you decide to keep out of the box, that credit will go to your items. So I cannot wait to show you guys what I got in this month's Trunk Club. So if you want to see what I got in this month's Trunk Club, then just keep on watching. So here is like the first outfit. I have these like cargo camo print with this like black sweater, and on the back of it, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like has like the stitching in the back. It's super cute. I love that little detail on it. The pants, they fit me. I'm on my period right now, so I'm a little bit bloated up here, but they fit. They just like, I don't know, like I feel like I probably like these maybe a little bit better if they weren't camel print pants. But everything that I am wearing and I have in my box, I will list everything down below and all the prices and all of that, so you guys, if there's any of you guys that are interested in any of the items that I'm trying on today. But yeah, so what do you guys think? Like I said, I think I would probably like the pants better if they were a different color. But they are like, I don't kind of scrunch at the bottom. They kind of look like, I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. I really like the top. It's really cute. I really like it. All right, guys. So pretty much everything else is like tops and like little cardigan things. So this should be really quick. So let's go on to the next outfit. This is top number 2. I really like this top. Like, I'm for sure keeping this. I love this little detailed right here on the sleeve. So freaking cute. It does have a slit on it, but it's not super high, so it's really flattering. I really like the actual texture. If you guys can see the actual texture of the top, it's like that rib material, so it kind of gives you a little bit of wiggle room, kind of a reference of what my body type is. I'm like, you know, curvy-ish on the top and a little busty on top. I am 5'6" and I do weigh 194 pounds, so just to give you guys leeway of like if we're like similar into like height or weight or anything like that. So, and I am wearing a size 12 jeans right now. These are just some, actually, matter of fact, I wore these jeans yesterday, but I really love these jeans. They're from Target. But this shirt is really freaking cute. It's perfect for like a date night. I would say like a date out with the girls, something like casual, like fun stuff, or if you even want to go to a bar. It would look really cute with like layered necklaces, like really dress it up and jazz it up. But this top definitely has a ton of potential. All right, guys, on to the next one. So we have a little cardigan right here. I actually really like it because it kind of like the way it opens, it like has like a, if you can kind of see, it has like a diagonal, and then it kind of like tapers out down, so it kind of like gives like almost like it opens up your body. This is a size large, I believe, and it has pockets. I love that. So this is like a really cute, like if you're, you know, walking, you know, your kids to school, and then you're just like, especially for me, Sabino school is like walking distance, so it'd be something cool to like wear. You can definitely layer it, and then I can have my keys here and my ID, so I don't have to drag my whole purse with me. This, like, so this is super cute. I love it. Lauren, you did a really good job with this trunk. So she sent me this little top right here. I think it's really cute, like looking at it, but on me, I don't really know if I like it. It makes me look really like wide, and I can't even like really button it up, so my waist was a little bit smaller. It'd probably fit better. I just felt a little too sorry, move my phone, like a little too constricted in it, but it's really cute. I really do like it. I have like this really denim jacket from like, I bought from Levi's, well actually from Nordstrom during the anniversary sale, and I plan on wanting to use it like to wear through like the winter months. So I don't know, guys, what do you guys think? Should I keep it? Guys, so here is another top. It's one of those slip ones. So this is, I'm a little iffy on this one because I'm probably gonna have to wear something underneath it, but I don't know. I like the color. It's really cute. It's very girly, very feminine. I kind of like this because it's just like kind of like not you're choking onto your neck with this little guy. And I feel like if you got really cold, you could just like kind of snuggle up a little bit. But I don't know, guys. I think I have one sweater left, and then the top that I wore yesterday left, and then some boots that I'm just gonna show you guys upstairs, and then a pair of earrings that she sent, and I'll show you guys that all upstairs. But we're almost done, guys. On to the next outfit. Okay, so here is a pink little sweater. I think it's really cute. I kind of don't like sweaters that are like this. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like they get really stretched out and they look kind of look weird. I kind of wish like maybe this wasn't so cut out, because I feel like it's not really like, you can't really wear it like in the winter or when it's cold, because the wind's gonna go whoop right through your shirt. And I feel like, me personally, I think I would get like really hot per se if I wore something underneath it. But it's a cute top. I really like it. I think it's really cute, very girly. But I already know for sure I'm keeping the Free People top and the top I'm about to show you next. Alright guys, so here is the top that I wore yesterday. I did post this top on my Instagram. I know you guys could just only see the back, but here's the front. The reason why I like this top is just because it just hits right, like just right. And I love the big poofy sleeves like that. Me and poofy sleeves are like, we're like this. So, and I love the color. It's mustard. Mustard is like one of my favorite colors, especially during the fall, like now the fall time. And I'm not gonna try like show like cleavage or anything. I'm gonna try not to, but it has like this key open hole right here. So like I said, this is perfect for date night, perfect to go on a date with, perfect night to go out with the girls, and just, you know, it's a little bit showing, but not too much showing, if you know what I mean. It's not like the whole like chest is all out. It's just enough to just see just a little bit, you know, feel a little bit sexy. So this pretty much completes our haul, guys. It was pretty simple. I do have a pair of boots and earrings, like I said, I mentioned earlier, upstairs that will show you guys. But for sure, I'm definitely keeping this top, the other Free People top, and probably the little cardigan. And Sabina is making her way down if you guys can't hear. But let's go upstairs and I'll give you guys my final thoughts on today's trunk club. Alright guys, so I am back. So what do you guys think of everything on? So how I kind of determine everything, what I decide to keep, I kind of go off base, one, for sure price, and two, is it something that I have a lot of repeat in my closet. So for instance, the black sweater top that I tried on, that is definitely something that, yes, I want to keep, but two, I have a lot of black sweaters like that, and I think that'd be definitely something that I can find probably a little bit cheaper at, say, Old Navy or Forever 21, because that sweater was about $70. So when I was younger, I used to like, you can even ask my mom, like I used to love going to the mall, like just, even if I didn't get anything, I loved to go in the mall just to try on clothes. And now it's like, oh, do I have to try it on? Like, I'd rather just buy it and go home and try it on at my own comfort of my own home, and to see if I liked it or not. But as an adult, and you know, I had a job and all of that, and you know what type of fashion and things that I can afford and I like to wear. And honestly, nowadays I do tend to shop at Nordstrom more, but I always make sure that I always check the sales, because let me tell you, with my trunk clubs, it's not that I usually try to wait just a little bit, like almost like when I need to like return it back, because sometimes when you first get your trunk club, that's like one of my secrets, is just wait a little bit and see if it goes on sale. And then sometimes I do also go back to see if there's stuff that I wanted to keep, but at that moment I'm like, I shouldn't spend this extra money on this top or this shirt or pants. And I go back, I'm like, wow, like it's on sale, and then I end up getting it. And then what I love about Nordstrom is they always have free shipping whenever I'm shopping. If I have to spend $50 to get free shipping, I'm like, sometimes I'm like, I don't really want to spend $50, but I can spend like $20 at Nordstrom, or there's a top that I want, it's on sale for 20 bucks. I don't have to pay for shipping, and that's one thing that I love about them, and they'll probably continue to have my business for free shipping and free returns. So that's what I love about Nordstrom, about Trunk Club. So I've been with Trunk Club for I don't really want to say a year, because I don't think it's been a year yet, but I've been with them for a bit to understand and what everything about them is about. And I've come pretty close to learning with my stylist. We follow each other on Instagram and whatnot, and I tell her, you know, hey, like these are things that I'm liking, these are things in fashion that I'm liking, and you know, she pretty gets on spot what I'm wanting and whatnot. Now, like I said earlier, with Nordstrom, things can be expensive. You can in the beginning, when you're kind of setting up what your price point is. Say you want Nordstrom stuff and it's like $500 pair of pants, or say $200 pair of pants, because I've definitely gotten $200 pair of pants in my trunks. Be really open with your stylist and tell them that how much you want to spend and things that you're wanting, because they do ask, you know, what are things that you're looking for, what do you need in your closet. And like right now it's like things for me, it's like more like fall to winter transition. So she sent me like cardigans and, you know, sweaters, not super thick sweaters, but sweaters enough to wear. Like this one I'm wearing right now is just like a crop, but this is something not from Chunk Club, but like things like this to where it's like, you know, I can still transition, but I can still wear right now and I'm not like dying right now, because right now it's like 70 degrees outside, but it's finally starting to go down. I'm so excited. For me personally, I like to shop, but sometimes I'm like, man, like I want someone to do it for me, because it's like having to drive to the store and look through everything. You know, they can just, you know, look through what they have and look into see what in stock they have and then just match to what you want. And, you know, like I said, I've been really enjoying this. You know, I have a limit of how much I want to spend. I have a limit of how many things I'm going to buy. I'm going to go ahead and show you the other two items that I have in my box. They're like accessories. Pronounce this right? Is it called Bubble Bar? Bubble Bar? I'm sorry if I'm saying this wrong, but these earrings, sorry guys, like I keep hearing stuff, but it's like my animals coming up and down the stairs. But these earrings, oh my gosh, like these are definitely some statement earrings. There we go. So there are these earrings right here. Like, let me tell you how gorgeous these earrings are. Like, wow. Like, could you imagine like me wearing these? Like, these are so freaking cute. Like, what outfit I'm gonna wear this with, I don't know yet. Maybe like all black and just big statement earrings. So I'm not gonna keep these boots. They're a little out of my price range right now. And I'm not like, I'm still wearing flip-flops right now. They're really sexy, very sleek, but I don't know if you guys can see them. I mean, I'm wearing all black, so you probably can't even see them. But they're these shoes right here. I feel like my mom used to have a pair of boots like this. But these are just a pair of boots. I think these are around like $100 and something. You can like smell like the leather. I mean, they're like leather boots, but these are something, right, like I said right now, that I like them, but I'm not gonna wear them right now. Like if I got this say 2 or 3 months from now and I'm like, oh yeah, I definitely want to get a pair of boots like this, then I would keep them. But right now it's just something that I don't really need. And be very open with your stylist and tell her or him exactly what you need and what you're wanting, and stay with your price limit. Like I said, I look on Nordstrom, I look one for sure at sales. They always add stuff and they always mark down stuff, and I'm telling you, I add things to my wish list if it's still in stock. One, if it's still in stock, and 2, if it did go marked down, because there were certain things that I had on my wish list and it did mark down and I snagged it up. Like I got a, like one of those like Wooby like pullover things, and I had saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, like I had in my wish list, and I was like, it went on sale and they're like almost sold out. So here are my final thoughts. So like I said, I pretty much liked everything in the box. There were some certain things that I didn't like about, like the sweater, the little pink pullover thing, just little things. And I think if it, in the perfect world, if I had a choice, I would, you know, have certain things look a certain way or stuff like that. So with your trunk club, and I'm not gonna bring the box because the box is in my room and it's like a mess with all like the bags and stuff like that. But you get a pretty big box of everything you get. So and you don't decide to keep, you just throw it back in the box, put it back in the, I try to have everything nice and neat to put back in there, but it comes in like little like plastic like bags. Like when you get stuff in, when you order stuff like that, you just put it back in where it goes, throw it back in the box, and then you just go to your local UPS store and drop it off. And you do already get a prepaid label that they send you, so you just literally smack a dab on the box. And then they also give you like little tabs to put to secure the box. So, and in your box, you do get this little paper, and it'll tell you all the prices. So I got 12 items in this box. It'll tell you all the prices for the tops and everything that, so if you have like tops, pants, accessories, shoes, whatever, it'll give you everything on here. The price, the sizes, what the brand is, and all of that. So it'll just give you everything that you need to know on this paper. So that is it for this, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what I should keep, what were your favorite things that you liked and what was not your favorites. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.